Ionic is an open-source user interface toolkit that allows developers to build high-quality cross-platform mobile applications using familiar web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It enables developers to create apps that run on multiple platforms including iOS, Android, and the web with a single codebase. Ionic provides a rich library of pre-designed UI components and native runtime access through Capacitor, making cross-platform development simplified and efficient. Integrating Ionic with Angular allows you to build robust hybrid mobile applications using Angular's powerful framework features. The Ionic CLI helps to quickly set up an Angular project optimized for mobile. Key aspects include using TypeScript, dependency injection, and an Angular component-based architecture to write modular and maintainable code. Ionic components seamlessly integrate with Angular templates and services, speeding up mobile app development. Ionic also integrates well with React, allowing developers to leverage React's component-based architecture and hooks. You start by creating a React app with the Ionic CLI, and Ionic React provides pre-built UI components designed with React's JSX syntax. This approach supports React Router for navigation, making it easy to build responsive and performant hybrid mobile apps using familiar React patterns. The Ionic Framework is structured with core components that are reusable user interface elements such as buttons, cards, and lists. These components are based on web standards like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and adapt their styles depending on the platform such as iOS or Android. Ionic supports multiple front-end frameworks including Angular, React, and Vue by using web components, along with powerful command line tools and a native runtime called Capacitor for accessing device features. Ionic is widely used for developing hybrid mobile applications that need to work across different platforms efficiently. Popular apps built with Ionic include Sworkit, a fitness app with customized workouts, Pacifica, for mental health and stress reduction, MarketWatch, for financial news, Shipt, a grocery delivery app, and Nationwide for insurance services. These apps benefit from Ionic's ability to deliver a single codebase that runs on iOS, Android, and the web. Ionic and React Native are both popular frameworks for cross-platform mobile development, but have distinct differences. Ionic uses web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and excels at building progressive web apps and hybrid apps with a single codebase. It is easier to learn for web developers and has smaller app sizes. React Native uses JavaScript and JSX to build native mobile apps with native UI components that deliver superior performance and responsiveness, but has a steeper learning curve and is focused more on mobile than web or PWA development. Capacitor is Ionic's modern native runtime that replaces Cordova for accessing native device features and hybrid apps. It enables direct usage of native iOS and Android APIs while keeping a web-first development approach. Capacitor allows easier native project configuration, supports debugging with native tools, and maintains compatibility with progressive web apps. It improves performance, provides a rich plugin ecosystem, and simplifies building cross-platform apps. You can add Ionic to an existing Angular project or start a new one with Ionic integration. Use Angular CLI to create your Angular app, and then add Ionic using the command ng-add at ionic/Angular. In your Angular module, import Ionic module and call its forRoot method to configure Ionic Framework support. Your app's root component template should be wrapped in IonApp and use Ion Router Outlet for seamless navigation animations and styling across platforms. For effective development with Angular and Ionic, organize your application into modular architecture with clearly separated feature, shared, and core modules. Utilize Angular CLI commands to generate components and services to maintain consistent project structure. Implement lazy loading on feature modules to enhance performance by loading code only when needed. Customize Ionic's UI components and themes using SCSS variables to create a unified user interface. Follow Angular style guidelines and use on-push change detection where possible. Manage routing with guards to secure navigation, and always unsubscribe from observables to prevent memory leaks. Proper documentation and consistent coding style improve maintainability. Improving the performance of your Ionic Angular app involves several strategies. Use lazy loading for modules and components to reduce the initial load time. Apply the on-push change detection strategy to limit unneeded checks during rendering. Optimize lists by using track-by functions in ng for directives to efficiently update the DOM. Avoid excessive two-way data binding and prefer one-way bindings to reduce overhead. Use ahead-of-time compilation for faster rendering and optimize images with compression and lazy loading techniques such as Ionic with lazy attribute. Finally, ensure to unsubscribe from observables to prevent memory leaks and bundle your app efficiently in production to reduce file sizes.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.